Hey guys, Chris with Fort Park Property Management and Real Estate here, talking to you a little bit more about strata management today because we love this topic and we get bombarded with questions about it all the time. So one of the most contentious issues in strata buildings, whether it's apartment style or townhouse, doesn't really matter, is what happens when my neighbor isn't paying his strata fees. So most, strata council, strata owners don't really pay a lot of attention to what's going on in their building, with certain exceptions, but they do look at that AR report every month and they certainly notice when someone's not paying their strata fees. And this can become, like I said, really contentious. It can create a lot of infighting and just a lot of conflict. So what can you do as a strata manager, as a strata council, to force someone to pay their strata fees? Well, other than threatening them, there isn't a whole lot you can do, but there's one big stick that the BC government allows, and that is called a Form G lien certificate. So you can file a lien against that property for unpaid strata fees or special levies, and usually within, depending on the circumstances, but usually within 30 days they have to pay that, as well as disbursement costs, legal fees, all that thing. It's not super cheap to do. A lawyer might charge you a couple $1,000s to do it, but it will ensure that you get paid, and you as the strata corporation get paid before a lot of other people's. So you get paid before the mortgage company. The only ones that really take precedence over you are a builder's lien, would take precedence, and property taxes, unpaid taxes, things like that. But other than that, you're going to take precedence right over the mortgage holder. You can force the sale through the Supreme Court and force a foreclosure type proceeding and get your money that way. So hope that helps you a little bit. Hopefully you're not in that situation, but if you are, that's something to look into.